Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the best Victorinox watches of 2023 based on specifications. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon button for my new videos notifications. Number 6. Victorinox Inox Carbon Blue Dial Men's Watch. Black carbon case with a blue textile paracord strap. Fixed black carbon bezel. Blue dial with luminous gunmetal hands and Arabic numeral hour markers. Dial type, analog, quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case size, 43 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Number 5. Victorinox Inox Carbon Black Dial Men's Watch. Black carbon composite case with a black rubber strap. Fixed black carbon composite bezel. Black dial with luminous black hands and index hour markers. 24-hour markers. Dial type, analog. Caliber SW200 automatic movement with a 38-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 43 mm. Case thickness, 14 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute. Number 4. Victorinox Inox Professional Diver Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with an orange textile strap. Unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous silver tone hands and dot hour markers. 24-hour markers. Dial type, analog, quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size, 45 mm. Case thickness, 14 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Army Air Boss Chronograph Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Chronograph, caliber 7750 automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Deployment clasp with a push-button release. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions, chronograph, date, hour, minute, second. Number 2. Victorinox Inox Autumn Spirit Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with an olive textile strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous gray hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case size, 43 mm. Case thickness, 14 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, end-of-life indicator, military watch style. Number 1. Victorinox Field Force Sport GMT Quartz Watch. Gunmetal PVD stainless steel case with an orange rubber strap. Fixed gunmetal PVD bezel with a black ring. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, solid case back, round case shape. Case size, 42 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, military watch style, Swiss made.